Getting stuck waiting on permits can totally wreck your home project timeline, so submitting those permit applications early is seriously clutch. Okay, so when you're planning a home project, like a remodel, or adding a new deck, don't wait until the last minute to get your permits sorted. Start by figuring out exactly what permits you need for your specific project, because different cities and counties can have their own rules. Once you know what's required, gather all the paperwork and plans you'll need ahead of time. This makes the whole process way smoother. Then, submit your permit applications as early as you can, ideally weeks or even months before you want to start work. Keep track of where your application is in the process by calling or checking online if possible, so you're not left hanging. If something needs fixing or extra info, responding quickly will keep things moving. Also, try to build some wiggle room into your schedule just in case permits take longer than expected. Trust me, being proactive about permits saves a ton of stress and keeps your project from stalling. One of the biggest mistakes people make with permit applications is waiting too long to apply, which causes major project holdups. The fix is to start early and plan ahead. Another common issue is submitting incomplete or incorrect paperwork, which slows approval. Double-check all documents and get help if you're unsure. Lastly, ignoring local building codes or permit requirements can lead to fines or having to redo work. Always research and follow your city's rules carefully to avoid headaches. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot for homeowners who want to find reliable local contractors without the hassle of endless searching. It also helps contractors connect with folks needing their skills, making it easier for both sides to get projects done right and on time.